Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. It's Anna here, and I hope you all are doing amazing. Sparkling heart. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. This is one of the best USDT staking websites I've come across, and yes, it's actually paying. Fire! With just a minimum deposit of $4, you can start earning up to 33% daily returns. Sounds crazy, right? But let me show you exactly how it works. Computer mouse first things first. Click the link in the video description. Once you're there, all you need to do is create your account by entering your email, setting a password, and hitting the register button. After signing up, you'll see a super clean dashboard. Now simply tap on the recharge button. You'll see multiple deposit options. I personally use USDT via Trust Wallet because it's fast and easy. Once you've made the deposit, come back to the site and click on Recharge Complete. White heavy checkmark, boom. Your funds are now added. Now scroll down a little, enter the amount you want to stake, and hit the staking button. That's it, you're now officially earning. Party Popper. Every single day, you'll receive 33% returns on your staked amount, passively. Money with wings. Let's talk about withdrawals. Click the withdraw button, enter your withdrawal password, and select your preferred method. For example, I'm using BNB, so I just copy my wallet address from Trust Wallet, paste it here, enter the amount and security password, then hit withdraw. Within a few minutes, your payment lands directly in your wallet. Super quick and hassle-free. And hey, it gets even better. Money bag. You can earn extra by referring your friends. Just go to the invite section, copy your referral link, and share it with your network. You'll earn 15% from level 1, 3% from level 2, 2% from level 3. So if you've got a community, don't miss out. That's all for today, lovelies. I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more legit earning sites like this.